96 and retire happy. Nerd Advisory Partners.
Why is iHeartRadio the #1 streaming radio app? Free music.
Free live radio stations from all over the country.
Free podcasts.
Free playlists.
Free contests.
Southeastern Texas until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles south of Lombell, Oregon, 12 miles southwest of Port Arthur, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Sealand State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The number 2 well.
Oh my god, I cannot believe it. I cannot. My word. Go.
Central Jefferson County in southeastern Texas until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles south of Lombell, Oregon, 15 miles west of Sabine Pass, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sealand State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Jaki Spartanburg County is. This is South Carolina.
I don't care that they have 3 rapes on their record. I am going to hug them and be kind to them and let them hang out with me when no one else is home and we're 10 miles from town. Because now that I'm poor, I love other poor people.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Jefferson County in southeastern Texas until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles east of High Island, Oregon, 17 miles southeast of Hampshire, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of south central Jefferson County. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows.
Jaki Spartanburg.
Naive?
Oh damn.